What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today we have pouches.
Yes.
And the mysterious person right next to me.
Yes, my name is, you don't know my name yet, but my channel will be linked below, but you'll find it eventually. But I'm a brand new guest here, and I'm happy to be here, be on YouTube for the first time. So, today we are reviewing fruit and veggie pouches. He calls them pouches. I'm one of his best friends. I've known him since we were little. Now, we have to get cups. We'll be back. We're back
For more
applesauce. We have the fruit veggie
applesauce.
here. I have my spoon. He has his
spoon. We're gonna
take a taste. How am I gonna taste with the mask on? You know, I'll figure it out. I just don't want to get any applesauce on them. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but
It's actually not that bad.
it's not. Peace.
I rate this 8 out of 10.
Pretty good. Okay, we have Gatorade now. And we'll do
I can't open those.
weak arms. And I'm not doing it for you.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
No, I'm not. Oh, I got it.
I've actually never tried purple Gatorade before.
I have. Go check out my videos. And I distilled Gatorade.
Who is the person that you do your videos with, typically?
Piper.
Oh, I think I met her that one time. Yeah, she's the friend that lives down the street, right? Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Down your street.
My street? My street's just 2 blocks from here.
Okay, we're back.
Have the Gatorade.
We have the Gatorade.
Yeah, and
Let's chug.
yeah.
In 3, 2, 1.
Excuse me. Oh, as you can see, I didn't get all of it because my mask got in the way, but it's alright.
Yeah.
Anyways, we have a thing to show you.
Be back.
Yes. This is a stuffed animal named Valentine.
And she's a rabbit.
Yeah, she's really particularly cute.
Yes. As you know, I've shown my stuffies with Piper.
Yeah. Oh, and this has my name on it, but I'm not showing you this ear.
Yeah.
This ear has my name on it, but I'm not going to show you this ear. Oh, my name is so beautiful, but I'm not showing you guys.
I rate Valentine 9 out of 10.
It's a good one.
That's a great look.
Thanks.
Thank you, Dad. Can you not.
Okay, bye guys. Peace.
Bye. Peace.